Create a fusion composition. Add it to the timeline and go to Fusion. Add a text node and connect it to Media Out. Enter the text. Go to Layout and change Type to Path. After this, in the viewer, instead to make our path less angular, in the upper left corner of the viewer, select Insert and Modify. Select all points of our trajectory and click Smooth. Adjust where needed. In Inspector, there is a slider called Position on Path. By moving it, we can move the text along the defined trajectory. Go to frame 20. Move the slider so that the text goes beyond the frame, and set a keyframe. Go to frame 45 and move our text to the other end of the path. We get this effect. Let's make the animation more dynamic. Go to Settings and enable Motion Blur. Return to Layout and add easing at the end.